Hi guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. This is Jian. Today I'm going to show you how to paint your cake with this abstract watercolor effect. Let's get started. First, I prepared my cake. I made 3-layer chocolate cake and I used my Italian meringue buttercream to crumb coat the cake and I chilled it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I covered my cake with the same buttercream. I tried to cover my cake smooth and straight as possible because we're going to paint directly on the cake. Once you're done, chill the cake at least 2 hours in the fridge to get a hard buttercream surface. To color the cake, I prepared burgundy, buttercup yellow, and royal blue, and I prepared 2 brushes. And also I prepared glycerin from Wilton. This is vegetable-based glycerin, so it's edible. Another oil-based ingredient I prepared is coconut oil. And I prepared a little bit of water to rinse and wash my brushes. First, using the soft brush, I applied glycerin around my cake surface and I used other brush to apply the food coloring and gently blend the colors out. Start with a small amount of food coloring, and once you're confident with the colors, add more food colorings to blend out the colors. The cake itself is covered with oil-based ingredient with buttercream, so it's important to use oil-based ingredients to dilute the color and apply it on the cake. So if you use water to dilute the colors and try to paint the cake, you will see lots of water drops because it won't stay on the cake. So it's good to use oil-based such as glycerin or coconut oil to blend out the colors. While you're painting, if you get small amount of water drops on the cake, that's still fine. You can blend it out with coconut oil or glycerin. And while you're painting the cake, try to be gentle as possible. After blending the colors, if you still see the water drops, you can use paper towel to remove the existing water. Before directly adding the food colors, I'm going to coat a thin layer of coconut oil on my cake and start blending in the colors. So once you're confident with the colors, start using the darker color. You can keep the cake just with the light color tones, but if you want to have a darker accent, you can start after applying the lighter colors. Make sure to blend enough with the coconut oil or glycerin. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have any questions about painting abstract watercolor cake, please leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials.